AM ngibabamile ngiqwashile isekseni lamaphupha sekseni 4 AM ngibabamile ngiqwashile kusekseni lamaphupha sekseni kusampondoza nkomo angizilona nempondo abantwana kuke badalonoganga manje khamba kusampondoza nkomo angizilona nempondo abantwana kuke badalonoganga manje khamba 4 AM ngibabamile ngiqwashile isekseni lamaphupha sekseni 4 AM ngibabamile ngiqwashile kusekseni lamaphupha sekseni kusampondoza nkomo ngivuka ekuseni ngomtoko wake up sekze kwasebuyise zokuzabalaza kusampondoza nkomo ngivuka ekuseni ngomtoko wake up sekze kwasebuyise zokuzabalaza isekseni lamaphupha sekseni 4 AM ngibabamile ngiqwashile kusekseni lamaphupha sekseni.
We are entering the year of the fire horse. Everything is about to turn around for you. I know things haven't been going well. I know things have been difficult, but babe, that was the year of the snake, the year of shedding, the year of pain, the year of lessons. You learned the lessons. It's done. It's over. It is only good luck from here on forward. In the year of the fire horse, you are going to have exceptional success. Imagine a horse on fire running you towards your destiny. That is what this year is going to bring for you. This is the real energetic reset. This is the real start of 2026, the real new year for you. This is where you enter your lucky streak.